CSUDH, Sign and Merge Documents, Financial Aid and Scholarships tutorial. Log into your my.csudh.edu account. On the home page, click the Adobe software icon. Go to the top right corner and click the Sign In button. Sign in using your CSUDH credentials. Navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click the 9-dotted icon. Then click the Creative Cloud icon. Once you are inside the Creative Cloud, click the arrow until you find the Creative Cloud icon once again. Then click Download and install the software on your computer. After the software is installed, open the application. In the Creative Cloud application, click on the X to skip the tutorial. On the left side of your screen, click Acrobat and PDF. You will then see a download icon for Acrobat. Install the program to your computer. Once installed, open the application. Inside Adobe Acrobat, click See All Tools in the top right corner of your screen. A variety of tools will appear. Navigate to the Combine Files icon and click Open. Then choose Add Files and select the files you will be combining into a single document. After selecting the documents, click Add Files. A confirmation screen will indicate which documents you are going to combine. Verify that the correct documents have been selected. Then click Combine. Your documents are now combined into one multi-page document. To sign your documents, go to the left side of your screen and click the pen icon. Then select Add Signature. A signature window will appear with 3 signature options: Type, Draw, and Image. For financial aid documents, it is required that you either draw your signature with your mouse or upload a photo of your wet signature. Type signatures will be considered invalid. Using your mouse, hover over the signature line and click to place your signature on the document. To make your signature bigger, select the signature text box and click on the bigger A icon. You can also reposition your signature if needed. Once you have completed all required fields on your document, navigate to the top right corner of your screen and click the Save icon. Click Choose a different folder and select a new location to save your file. After choosing your file's location, name your file and save it to your computer. Be sure to include your name and CSUDH student ID number within the file name.